Hi, this is Physio PJ from Prevail Rehab. In this video, I will be sharing some 7 best stretches and exercises for shin splints. The first exercise is what we call the ankle dorsiflexion. What you should do is just raise your toes up, but in this time, we need a wall so that we can use that as assistance. Make sure you're leaning onto a wall in a slanting position and raise your toes. And I want you to hold that for 5 to 10 seconds. This is an isometric exercises for your tibialis anterior, which is located here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's for 10 repetition. And you can do that for every other day, or you can do that before running. Second exercise is the standard ankle dorsiflexion. All you have to do is raise your toes, then make sure you can do 12 to 15 reps, 2 to 3 sets, and do that every other day or before working or running up. Make sure you can feel some contraction here. The third exercise, you can use some resistance band. Make sure your toe is pointing down first, then go up and down. You can also bend your knees. You can also lean into a wall. If you don't have some resistance band, you can check my online store. We can cater cash on delivery. Also do this the other side just to activate the tibialis anterior, or the muscle that's responsible in raising your toes. And make sure we have a good solid foundation in your lower leg. For our fourth exercise, these are the stretches that you can do to release the tightness and tension on your calf muscles. So the first exercise is the gastrocnemius stretch. All you have to do is just find a wall. Back leg is what we want to stretch. The front leg, make sure it is bent slightly. And you can also hold onto a wall, then lean forward. As you lean forward, make sure your back leg is straight. And you can feel a stretching sensation on your back leg. Hold that for 15 seconds to 20 seconds. Do that for 2 to 3 sets. As you go forward, make sure you're not lifting your back leg. And I want to show you a back view of it. So this is the leg we want to stretch. Heels down. Feel a good stretch here on my calves. Fifth exercise is the soleus stretch. In position, but this time we want to bend the target leg. For example, this is for the gastrocnemius stretch, but this time we want to move our feet closer and bend this back leg slightly. Make sure your heel doesn't lift. Go forward, do that to the other side. And if you notice that you have limitation on doing this exercise, you can do some ankle mobility exercises like this, so that you have a good and functional ankle dorsiflexion. And do this for 20 repetition every day. This is called the ankle rocks, just to increase your dorsiflexion. If you find this exercise difficult, you can always do that drill. And we want to go now to our sixth exercise. This is your calf raises. So all you have to do is just raise your heels, hold for 2 seconds, go down slowly. You can do this for 15 to 20 repetitions every day or every other day, or before your running session or workout session. For our last exercise, this is the soleus stretch. We want to bend our knee slightly, then go up. You can aim for 12 to 15 reps, and that's for 2 to 3 sets. So that concludes our exercises. If you have any questions, feel free to comment section below.